Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been confused about which QuickBooks version you're actually using, whether it's Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced, you're not alone. Knowing your version is super important when you're troubleshooting issues, contacting support, or deciding if it's time for an upgrade. So today, I'll show you step by step how to find your QuickBooks version in under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, Safari, whatever you like, and head over to the QuickBooks online website. If you can't remember the exact link, just search QuickBooks Online Login and click the official Intuit link that appears. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click Sign In. Now, carefully enter your email and password linked to your QuickBooks account. Double check for any typos and make sure your caps lock is off. This avoids unnecessary login errors that can waste your time. After logging in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. Now, look up at the top right corner again. You'll see a small gear-shaped settings icon. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Subscriptions and Billing. This section is where QuickBooks keeps all the key details about your plan. Here, you'll find your QuickBooks version clearly listed, whether you're on Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Knowing this helps you when reaching out to QuickBooks support, managing your billing, or comparing features if you're planning to upgrade. And that's it, quick and simple. Now you know exactly which QuickBooks version you're using. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below letting me know which version you're on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.